Hello and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you an easy fix for internet connectivity issues. This is basically for those who get internet after restarting their computer. Sometimes it's on, sometimes it's not on, then you restart and it comes back on, but sometimes it doesn't, so you kind of end up restarting it 10 times before you actually get it. So basically if you turn on your computer and you don't have any internet, and you're most likely using a booster, or maybe you have an old network card, there's an easy fix. So as you can see here, I just turned on my computer. It says there's no internet. I go to load up a new page. Let's go for YouTube. It says no internet. No matter what you do, there's no internet. You go over there and you see here there's an X that says no internet. So what you do is you type in device manager into the search bar, which is part of the control panel, and you can see there all your devices, and it says network adapters. So just go into the network adapters and you see there's your network connection card, and there's a exclamation mark in an orange triangle. So basically just right click on it and press scan for hardware changes. So it's gonna do this, then it's gonna refresh, reload, and the exclamation mark is gone, and you can see straight away the status has changed, and now I have internet connectivity. So let's go back into Google Chrome, refresh, and we have live, and YouTube is back online. Alright guys, hopefully you liked the video, and hopefully it helps somebody. Alright, till next time.